Good afternoon, guys. So it's Thursday today and it's already 2:31 p.m. and right now I'm here in our office and I'm still working, but later on may mga imimit akong mga kabataan, mga youth, kasi mga bago ko silang mga ka-cell group. Ayun, kung if you're a Christian, you know what I mean. Okay? So ayun, and ewan ko ano pa magiging mga kaganapan bukod doon, and I think I'm gonna be updating you guys later.
Killer smile. Sa akin din po yun. Ano medyo ako sa...
Hi guys! Subscribe! Good afternoon, guys. So it's already 1:04 p.m. and right now it's Sunday today. And as you can tell, ayan, nagbe-base na kami, nag-ready na kami to go to church. Actually, ang services namin is 2:30 and then meron pa kaming next na pang 4:30. So yeah, gonna be updating you guys later. Go! What are you doing?
Nananalamin. So guys, kung kayo po ay nakatira sa Cavite City, Noveleta, Kawit, at kaya nyo bumiyahe ng Cavite City, we are inviting you po to attend our church, JG San Antonio. So nasabi na po niya kanong oras yung aming time, and we're looking forward and pray po na maka-attend kayo. Meron din po kami online via live sa Facebook and YouTube. You can search JG San Antonio, and there you can mahanap nyo na po yung aming mga live stream at mga previous services. God bless po.
So ayan guys, papunta na kami ng church and napag-desisyon na namin mag-motor. O diba pasaway? Kasi baulan na. So ayan guys, nandito na kami sa church and ayan ang song lead natin today. Song lead natin is Stress. Na-stress siya dahil
Pasensya ka na. Para sa sentro. Lahat tayo nagparang sa cell group na lahat. Hindi pa siya nakakatag sa cell group namin. So, we're looking forward na makasama ka namin.
Hey y'all, so right now I'm working and andito ko ngayon. I'm not in the office. So, work from home ako today and please don't mind the background because it's messy.
Balat-balat niya sa kabil sa ano.
So guys, ayan na ang aking kuko. And by the way guys, I just got home. Actually mga 1:30 na kami nakapag-start. And ni-remove nila yung luma ko and eto na siya, bago. So ang tagal din. By the way guys, it's already 7:30 p.m. and ayan nga, kakauwi ko lang. But solid na solid naman. Tingnan nyo naman ang kagandahan, di ba? Oh, di ba? Sinong mama ko dyan? Good afternoon guys. So it's Wednesday today and it's already 2:14 p.m. and right now I'm getting ready to go to church early kasi lagi kaming may practice muna ng praise and worship and kung sino mang nakaschedule na worship leader, you know. And ayun, I feel like gusto ko pang umalis na maaga dito kasi parang feeling ko gusto kong bumili ng coffee before going to church. And by the way, sorry sa ayan, kasi wala, against the light ako. So, ayun, I'm gonna be updating you guys later. By the way, this is the update on my new nails. Sinong mama nito? Oh, nakikita ba? Ang ganda ako sa nails ko. Like, hindi ako nakikipagbiruan sis. Parang ganon yung dating niya. Pero ayun na nga, I'm gonna be updating you guys later. So guys, ayan. Please excuse my hair kasi tinaas ko lang yan ng ganyan. And by the way, kakauwi lang namin. And I think it's already past 9:30 na PM. And ayun. Nagre-remove lang ako ng makeup ko. Kasi maya-maya mag-CCR na rin ako. I'm gonna be taking a shower. Pero hindi ako gaano magtatagal kasi super gabi na. Malamig na ang tubig. And ayan. By the way, ang pinagtatanggal ko ng makeup ko guys is hindi ko alam anong basa. Basahin nyo nga guys. Ayan. Isa C. Hindi ko alam. Pero ito siya. Ito yung ginagamit ko. By the way, itong makeup remover na to is for all skin type. Yun yung nakalagay dito. Yun yung kiniklaim nila. And medyo matagal ko na rin ginagamit tong brand na to. Ilang taong ko nang ginagamit to pang remove ng makeup. Dati ang lalagyan nila yung puti pang malaki. And ngayon ganito na. So, wala naman ako naging problema. Kaya, go lang. Good afternoon, guys. So, it's Friday today. And right now, it's already 2 PM. And I just, finished working, taking a bath, and, putting some sunscreen on and a bit of a blush and a tint. I didn't have any base makeup right now because my skin is on the process of, micro peeling, just like that. So, ayun siya. And, guys, I think mamaya ko na kayo i-update kasi, ayusin ko pa yung bag na dadalhin ko and I don't think that I'm going to need a, yung parang listahan. Basta, kung ano, alam ko na may mga needs and kung ano pa yung mga pwedeng bilhin. So, yeah. Wait. Nabanggit ko ba na mag-grocery kami? Wait lang guys So ayun, mag-grocery kami ngayon. And paalis na rin kami ng bahay. And I don't think na gagamit kami ng motorbike. Kasi nga, syempre hello, yung groceries. And I don't think din naman na mag-i-e-bike pa kami. I think mag-ano na lang kami, ko-commute. Magta-tricycle kami para basta yun na yun. Okay, alam mo. So yun guys, kanina pa kami nakauwi and ayan, nakaligo na rin ulit ako. Actually kami kasi pupunta kami ng prayer meeting and kung taga Cavite City ka, dun yun gaganapin sa yung sa may PN na may covered court. So ayun, update ko kayo. Guys, we are on the way na doon sa may PN sa may covered court and ayan, nag-e-bike na lang kami. And hindi namin magamit yung ngayon yung dalawa sa gilid kasi sira na. So, and nakafix na yun siya. So, yeah. So, yun guys, yan kami sa Samgyupsal. Nag-samgyup kami.
May cheeses po po.
Okay guys, so we are home and ayun, thank you so much for watching and I'm gonna be seeing you all on my next vlog.